What's your favorite drink? Like, what do you like drinking if you're a place like this?
Hennessy.
VSOP, VS?
VS.
VS?
Yeah.
Like I?
Yebo.
Shit. Imali nigga like I, VS.
Wait, angiyazi ke.
Oh, shit, like, it's not that expensive. How much is it? You like drinking, so how much is it?
Hayi angiyazi phela mina angisuke ngingezela ukuzoyiphuzela ngemali yami suke ngiphuzisa.
That's these niggas like, mawuzo muhle.
Yebo, angisho muhle nje usuke uzongena noma
ikephi. Buso.
Yebo, exactly.
I like her. When you're at a place like Liv or Aiden or Azar, what's your favorite drink? Like either champagne, cognac, whatever it is. What's your favorites?
My favorite drink is champagne.
Which champagne?
Verve.
Viv.
Yeah.
Shit, that's the one you like drinking. Maulai Liv.
Yes.
How much is it?
It is.
Manifa, don't run. Estimation.
I think it is. I've never bought it, so I think it's probably like 3K.
Oh my gosh, my girlfriend's gonna get so mad when she sees
I'm sorry.
She's just an interviewer, guys. I'm
sorry.
It's on the baby. It's 4K. 3K.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
It's close. It's 3.8.
Really?
Yeah. What drink do you like to drink? What's your favorite drink? Champagne, cider,
Okay,
anything.
Mina,
What is your favorites?
firstly, I'm a cognac girly. So, cognac all
Which
the way.
one? Which one?
How? Henny, what you mean?
VS, and it's VS,
VS,
VSOP.
VSOP, Henny, yes. Champagne was Imoed or Vev.
Imagine the Viv.
How? 12,
Eliv.
11.
Yeah.
I don't know, cause my man pays for it.
To my man. Thank you to my man. I know.
Cracker.
If you ask you now, it's very cheapy.
It's very cheap.
I know it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's surprising my. It's
Exactly.
Ngobani.
My man.
To my man.